Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Trazr. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to make the most out of the app, step by step. And if you stick with me until the end, I've got a special surprise just for you as a thank you for watching. Alright, let's get started. When you first open Trazr, you'll see four main tabs at the bottom of the screen: Calculator, Signals, Sessions, and Settings. Let's begin with the Calculator tab. At the top, you'll find the Account Settings section. Here you can choose your account type: Pro Firm, Demo Account, or your live broker account. For this tutorial, I'll select Pro Firm. Next, select your account currency. I'll keep mine in USD and set the account size to $100,000. My leverage is 1 to 100, though you can choose whichever matches your broker. I'm risking 2% on this trade. Here's where you pick your lot type: Standard, Mini, Micro, or Nano. I'll keep Standard. This setting is important because it directly affects your pip value. If you switch between lot types, the pip value updates automatically below. Next, let's pick our asset. Trazr gives you access to Forex majors, minors, exotics, plus indices, commodities, crypto, and futures. For this example, I'll use XAU/USD, which is gold. I'll set my entry price to 4,000, since gold is hovering around that mark. If you already know your pip value, you can adjust it here, but for simplicity, I'll leave it as is. My trade setup is a buy with a stop loss of 20 pips. You can change it to sell if needed. The app will update automatically. Next, let's look at the spread settings. Here you can enter your broker's spread. For gold, my broker's spread floats between 27 and 30 points, so I'll set it to 30 points. Always use the higher recent spread. If you prefer to view spreads in pips, just toggle the switch. You'll see that 30 points equals 3 pips. Below that, you'll find a great feature called Position Fractioner. This tool lets you divide your total risk into multiple smaller positions. For instance, I'm risking 2% in total. If I want to split it into 5 slices, I can enable the slice feature. Let's allocate 50% of that risk, that's 1%, to the first slice. The remaining 1% will be divided equally among the other 4 slices. 0.25% each from my risk. To see the full breakdown, scroll to the summary section. You'll see how your risk is distributed with the corresponding lot sizes and required margin. If you disable the position fractioner, it reverts to a single position setup. Next up, the trade preview chart. This gives you a live visual of your reward to risk ratio. If I'm risking 2% to gain 4%, that's a 2 to 1 ratio. With a 20 pip stop loss, that means a 40 pip take profit. You can tweak these numbers and instantly see how your potential reward changes. Now scroll to the summary section. This is where all your key trade details appear. Lot size, 0.87. Risk, 2% or $2,000 from a $100,000 account. Reward to risk ratio, 2 to 1. Estimated spread cost, required margin, and your net projected profit after spread deductions. Trazr automatically factors in the spread cost, so you see your real potential profit, not just the gross number. This helps you understand how spreads can reduce your overall return. The higher the spread, the more it eats into your gains. Below the summary, you'll find the Generate Trading Signal button. Once you create a signal, it'll appear under the Signals tab. Let's create one now. I'll set my entry price to 4,000. Add a note, New York session, and save it. The app confirms it's saved. Now, let's switch over to the Signals tab. Here you'll see all your saved signals. Each one shows your pair, direction, entry, stop loss, and take profit. You can also extend your position with Take Profit 2, which doubles your target, turning a 2-to-1 setup into 4-to-1. Remember that custom note we added earlier? It appears right here, New York session. Swipe left to delete or share a signal via social apps. And if you need to copy specific values, just long press them. Then you can paste those values straight into MT4, MT5, or any trading platform you use. It's a quick and efficient way to manage trades. Next, open the Sessions tab. You'll see clocks for London, New York, Sydney, and Tokyo sessions. Below that, the session clock shows which market session are currently open. Since I'm in the UK, my local time matches UTC, but if you tap the clock, it toggles between your local and UTC time. Finally, let's check out the Settings tab. Here, you can switch the language of the app. Trazr supports over 20 languages, including English, Chinese, Spanish, and Arabic. Just tap your preferred language, and the entire app updates instantly. For example, if I switch to Chinese, the whole interface changes right away, simple and intuitive. And as promised, here's your special surprise for watching till the end. You can get 25% off your Trazr annual subscription with the exclusive code. Just follow the link below this video and enter it at App Store to claim your discount. It's a limited time offer, so grab it while it lasts. And that's it. Now, you know exactly how to use Trazr. From setting up your account and calculating positions to generating trading signals and tracking market sessions. I hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of Trazr. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other traders who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!